Today, we are diving into top secured credit cards that don't just help you grow your credit, but also offers reward like cashback, points, and more. So let's break it down and find the one that fits you best. Here on Credit Down. If you're not familiar with secured credit cards, here's a 30-second intro. They are mainly used for building or rebuilding credit. You put down a refundable deposit with bank, let's say $300, and that deposit becomes your credit limit. They work just like regular credit cards. On-time payments are reported to the credit bureaus, helping you build and improve your credit score. As score grows, many secured credit cards let you graduate to an unsecured card and refund your deposit. Check out my other video in the description for more details. Let's dive in no particular order. Starting with the Capital One Quicksilver Secured Rewards Card. It starts with a $200 refundable minimum deposit that serves as your credit. It has no annual fees, which is applicable to all the cards in this video, and no foreign transaction fees, and a whole bunch of other no fees, such as for replacement cards or authorized users. It has a variable APR of 29.99%, which is on the higher side, so it's important to pay off your balance in full each month. It has great 5% cashback on hotels and rental cars booked through Capital One Travel, perfect for booking travel and earning rewards. It also offers 1.5% cashback on all other purchases, from everyday essentials to those small splurges like coffee or lunch. Every little bit adds up quickly. Some other good benefits include virtual card numbers from Eno, which helps keep your real card number secure, CreditWise to keep eye on your credit score, and emergency card replacement if you ever need one. Now it does come with automatic credit line reviews after 6 months with no additional deposit in case you're approved for higher limit. And you may also become eligible to graduate to an unsecured card based on your responsible use. Here's why I'm recommending this card. It's super easy to earn cashback on everyday purchases, and with no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees, it's a great choice for both building credit and saving on extra cost. Plus, the option to graduate to an unsecured card after just 6 months makes it a solid pick for long-term credit growth. Now let's talk about Discover 8 Secured Credit Card, which is another fantastic option for rebuilding or building your credit while earning great rewards. It starts with $200 minimum refundable deposit. This is a standard setup for secured cards, ensuring you have a set amount available to spend based on how much deposit you make. It also comes with no annual fees and no foreign transaction fees, so it's perfect for international travelers. It has a variable APR of 27.74%. It's still on the higher side, so it's best to avoid carrying a balance from month to month. It offers 2% cashback at gas stations and restaurants on up to $1,000 in combined purchases each quarter. Also, it has 1% cashback on all other purchases. At the end of first year, Discover will match all the cashback you have earned, which can be a significant bonus for new card holders. Along with all that, the card offers some great features, like online privacy protection, which helps regularly remove your personal information from websites that might sell your data. Plus, it has a freeze it switch, letting you instantly lock your card if it ever gets stolen or lost. It does have a graduation potential after about 7 months of responsible use. You may qualify to upgrade to an unsecured card and get your deposit back. I recommend this card because of the cashback match feature that doubles your earnings in the first year, which customers love. Plus 2% cashback on restaurants and gas stations. It's also a great choice for building credit with an option to graduate to an unsecured card. If you're part of military community, the Navy Federal and Rewards Secured Credit Card is an excellent option. It's designed to help you build credit while earning rewards, and is available exclusively for those with ties to the Armed Forces, Department of Defense, or National Guard. It starts with $200 minimum refundable deposit. It comes with no annual fees, no foreign transaction fees, and also no balance transfer as well as no cash advance fees. It has a variable APR of just 18%, which is way less than our other secured credit cards. Under rewards, it offers 1 times the points per dollar spent, which can be redeemed for rewards like travel, merchandise, or gift cards. It also offers great features like 24/7 customer support, fraud alerts, and the ability to use digitally issued card right away. No need to wait for the physical card to arrive. In 3 months, you could be eligible for an automatic line increase that provides you with additional credit. After 6 months, you may be eligible for an upgrade to Cash Rewards Unsecured Card. Plus, you'll get your deposit back. I recommend Navy Federal and Rewards Secured Credit Card because it offers lower APR, making it more affordable if you carry a balance. After 6 months of responsible use, you have the chance to upgrade to an unsecured card. Plus, its no-fee structure is a big bonus, making it a strong choice for building credit over time. If you're looking for a secured credit card that offers flexibility and rewards when rebuilding your credit, the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card is an excellent option. It lets you personalize your rewards based on your spending habits, meaning you can earn more where it matters most to you, whether that's gas, dining, or online shopping. It has a minimum refundable deposit of $200. It comes with no annual fees, but at 3% foreign transaction fees, so it's not the best option to use internationally. It has a relatively high 28.74% of variable APR, so carrying a balance can get pricey. Under rewards, this card offers 3% cashback on category of your choice each month, with options ranging from gas to home improvements and furnishings. Plus, you'll earn 2% cashback at grocery stores and wholesale clubs, and 1% on other purchases. However, the 3% and 2% cashback are capped at $2,500 in combined quarterly spending, after which you'll earn 1% cashback on those categories. In addition, it provides useful security and features like fraud protection, account alerts to keep your account secure while you earn rewards. And over time, with responsible use, you may qualify to graduate to an unsecured card. I recommend the Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card for its flexibility in cashback categories, allowing you to earn 3% on things like groceries, gas, or dining, whichever category suits your spending habits most. It's a great way to maximize rewards while rebuilding your credit, and with no annual fee, it's an even better deal. A bonus mention: if you're looking for a straightforward cashback option without customizing categories, check out the Bank of America Unlimited Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card. It offers 1.5% unlimited cashback on all purchases, with no rotating categories to worry about. Perfect for those who prefer simplicity without the need for category management. The rest of the things are pretty similar to the earlier Bank of America credit card. If you're enjoying this content, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Next, similar to Bank of America Customized Cash Rewards Secured Credit Card, the US Bank Cash Plus Secured Visa Credit Card offers one of the most customizable reward programs among secured cards. If you're looking to build or rebuild your credit while earning rewards tailored to your spending habits, this card might be the perfect fit. It has a starting minimum deposit of $300, which is refundable, and that's $100 higher than the other cards that we have seen so far. It comes with no annual fees, but it does have 3% foreign transaction fees, which means it's not the best option for international travel. It offers a variable APR of 29.49%. This is still on the higher side, so it's essential to pay off your balance in full if you choose this card. For rewards, it offers 5% cashback on your first $2,000 in combined eligible purchases each quarter in 2 categories you choose. It also offers 5% cashback on prepaid air, hotel, and car reservations booked directly in Rewards Travel Center. It has 2% cashback on one everyday category like groceries, dining, or gas stations, and 1% cashback on all other purchases. Also, here are some additional benefits this card offers. There is the potential to graduate to an unsecured card once you have shown responsible use over past 12 months. I recommend US Bank Cash Plus Secured Visa Credit Card because of its flexibility with the 5% cashback categories, allowing you to earn more on purchases like home utilities or streaming services. Despite the higher $300 minimum deposit, it offers a great way to maximize cashback rewards while building credit. And lastly, make way for the US Bank Visa Secured Go Credit Card. It's a great tool for anyone looking to rebuild or improve their credit. It starts with a minimum deposit of $300, which is refundable. There is no annual fees, but there is a 3% foreign transaction fees for purchases made outside of the US. It has a variable APR of 29.49, which is definitely on the higher end. For rewards, this card offers 4 times points on dining and takeout, 2 times points on streaming services, grocery stores, and gas stations, and 1 times point on all other purchases. Additional perks include $15 streaming credit annually after qualifying purchases. This card offers the potential to graduate to an unsecured card after showing responsible credit use of about 12 months. I recommend the US Bank Altitude Go Secured Visa card for its straightforward points-based reward system, making it a great option for those who enjoy earning points on dining, travel, and more. With no annual fee and opportunity to upgrade to an unsecured card, it's perfect for building credit with maximizing rewards on everyday purchases. However, if you prefer cashback and want more flexibility in choosing categories, the US Bank Cash Plus Visa Secured card might be a better fit for you. Ultimately, it comes down to whether you prefer points or cashback, and choosing the card that best suits your spending habits. And that's a wrap on secured credit cards to help you boost your credit and earn some awesome rewards along the way. Which one caught your attention? I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and tap that notification bell. See you in the next one.